Meryl, can you say hi? Can you wave hi? Hey. Meryl, where's Lukey? Where's Lukey? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Where'd Daddy go? Say hi, Dada. Say hi to Daddy. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Say hi, Lukey. Say hi, Lukey. Oh, what a big girl. Hi. Say bye-bye, Mama. Say bye, Mommy. Bye, Mama.